Hey guys, back with another breakdown. This time we're going to do some spins, but on the tape. This is preferred for beginners when you're first learning. Put 4 pieces of tape. You don't have to do a full line, just put a piece on the top, bottom, left, and right. Practice hitting the pieces of tape or the points that you mark out and go figure out which way you like to go. For me, I like to go left, as you can see here. And as each time you're adding kind of a little hop and even a little bit of a T-step every time you step out, as you can see. So eventually you're going to get faster and faster. Okay, eventually you won't even need the tape. Okay, you're going to look like this. Practice going both ways also. Always practice both sides. Let me know what you guys think of this. Always drill your spins to get better. Good luck.